Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to add items to wish list on Amazon. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for amazon.com. So here it is. Now choose the item you would like to add on your wish list. So let's go for this one. Now if we scroll down, we can see this option called add to list, and simply tap on this down arrow button, and here we'll be able to see our various lists. So this is my shopping wish list 1. So let's tap on this and simply click on view your list to view this list, and you can find other items on this list as well. So let's tap on view your list, and here we can see all of the items I have added in this list. So this is all we can do to add items to wish list on Amazon. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.